So I went back there, took the system apart, and I was like, yeah, this doesn't smell right at all. Actually smelled like a dead animal. Lo and behold, you're gonna have refrigerant spilling everywhere. It's gonna be just, this is Bobby with the best of the worst, and you have to see this to believe it. Hey guys, welcome back. Bobby here with the best of the worst. You guys had to see this to believe it. I was out on a call, normal thing, you know, no heat. Go out there, customer's like, it stopped working, but I also smell this weird smell. I was like, all right. So I went back there, took the system apart, and I was like, yeah, this doesn't smell right at all. Actually smelled like a dead animal. Lo and behold, it was a dead animal. It was actually a mouse. What happened was the mouse crawled through the ductwork because the ductwork had a hole in it. As it crawled through the ductwork, it made its way into the heat strips. So the heat strips, they're 240 volts. They get red hot. It gets red hot, kind of like your stove. But what cools it off is actually the blower motor. That will help maintain that temperature. Now, if something crawls in it and shorts something out, just like this happened, it's going to take the heat element completely out. Which then you're going to notice that your system's not keeping up. And you got no heat. Thermostat's just getting colder. House is getting colder. And it's just not doing the job. To prevent this, make sure you guys do a trip around your house. Look for any openings. Make sure that if you see any rat droppings or mice droppings or whatever, you just get it taken care of right away. Otherwise, it can turn into, a little problem can turn into a big problem pretty quickly. This customer is going to need duct work, going to need duct cleaning to get the smell out. I'm going to need heat elements. I'm going to need a whole overhaul in the system. Check it out, guys. Next week, you have to see us, believe it.